Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send a one-time voice message on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's access our WhatsApp first. So let's say we already have accessed this user. You can go back, choose a user whom you would like to send it. Now right over here, simply go ahead in this microphone icon. If you would like to send a one-time voice message or pictures message, all you have to do is simply press and hold, drag to the top. Now it's locked, and now you can see this particular icon, this one-time icon you see on the pictures message as well. Go ahead, tap on it. Voice message set to view once, send it. Now once that person sees it, it will be removed and it won't be available for another time. This will be view once, just like you send other messages for that purpose. So that is the simple way. Again, press, lock, tap on it, and send it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.